Hey there friends, how's it going? My name is MZF. Welcome back to another video. So today's video I'll be reviewing a drone from Shepherd Image which cost me $37 of Ross. This thing is a quadcopter drone, so it has 4 propellers to stabilize itself. And it is under 0.55 pounds, so you don't need FAA license to fly this. And this thing's also included with a VR box, so it's kind of cool. So yeah, let's take a closer look, shall we? So this is the drone itself, which has safety thing right here to protect the propeller from breaking itself. So if you hit a wall, it's not gonna break. But yeah, it's quite good. It feels light though. Like if you play with wind, if it's windy outside, don't play it, as it will crash and it will, yeah. This is the controller, the drone controller. As you can see, it has 2 joysticks to control the height and the movement right here. So this thing also has an auto orientation, which means it's gonna stabilize itself. And it also has auto landing and takeoff, and beginner and expert mode. If you're still a beginner, it's gonna restrict you to some height, so you'll be fine. And you can switch the speed of the drone by switching this low, medium, and high. So yeah, as I said, this things also include VR box, so let me show you the VR box. So this is the VR box. They put a glass inside of these, and you will put your phone here. So you're gonna switch your phone to VR mode, and then you just put it, and then there you go. You just get yourself VR. If you search for VR box on Amazon, I think it's gonna cost around $10 to $15 because nobody wants to buy anymore. So yeah, let's test these things out, shall we? yeah, friends, as you can see, the drones perform better than the, I don't know, than typical drones with that price, I guess. I mean, if you search for a drone under $40 on Amazon, maybe you will find one of those, you know, what you call it, one of those toy, yeah. But you know what? Let's talk about the pros and cons. Wait, how you say cons? Pros and cons? I don't know. So the pros is you get a image stabilization, and you get a, what do you call it? Oh, yeah, you get a VR box, I guess. And now let's talk about the cons. The cons: 720p HD camera, typical, and you know, lightweight, shaky. Oh yeah, I wanna add one more to pros. You don't need FAA license to fly this, so yeah, you're fine if you just open box and you fly it all the way up. But yeah, in the regulations it says that you need to fly under 100 feet, which is still high. So yeah. So yeah, friends. This is the this is the end of the video and the end of the year and the decade. So let's end this decade with a positive note. I mean, like, yeah. So as always, see you next video, or years, or decade, or whatever. And goodbye. See ya. Peace out.